Salesforce has really been a pioneer as far as AI is concerned, having first pioneered predictive AI in 2014 and have since then evolved into generative AI and now with our latest offering in autonomous agents. From an AI standpoint, we typically look at three key strategies which we implement when we think of building and enhancing customer experience. One is primarily focused around how do you enhance customer engagement, which can be through chatbots, through self-service channels, through automated and personalized responses, and overall being able to build an ecosystem where you are able to drive an iterative process so as to be able to keep the customers continuously engaged. The second factor around the strategy is focused around being able to drive operational excellence. So whether it is in the form of leveraging AI for conversation and chat summaries, or being able to help in drafting personalized responses for the team to be able to provide to the customers, or being able to get mobile work summaries for service personnel on the field, and to be able to create knowledge on the basis of closed cases and be able to build that repository in a real time. The third piece, which is very interesting, is completely focused around agent productivity, around how do you build agent performance, how do you focus on helping agents with a level playing field, so to speak. How do you ensure that agents are continuously guided and corrected in terms of the optimal response that they need to provide? And how is it that you can, in fact, codify knowledge based upon the responses that are being put together, the unstructured data and information that is there, and how do you leverage this so as to be able to create meaningful and contextual knowledge for our customers? All in all, to sum it up, when we look at leveraging AI, the outcomes that we need to deliver are with regards to reducing our cost to serve, increasing case deflection, increasing agent productivity, improving and enhancing customer satisfaction scores, and in a way fundamentally turn your service from a cost center to a revenue center. Now, omnichannel has been an area of deep focus with organizations, particularly as they bridge the divide from offline, in-store to online channels. And I think from a Salesforce perspective, it's a triage of CRM plus AI plus data with the bedrock of trust as the underlying layer on the basis of which we have been able to build seamless personalized solutions for our customers across the globe and in India. When we look at data, for instance, with the help of Salesforce Data Cloud, we are today able to bring together structured and unstructured information, be able to harmonize and unify this particular data, and create customer personas and context based upon the learnings of this data and analysis from this particular data. The second piece when we look at is the CRM. In this case, the omni-channel capabilities in service CRM are able to today help us being able to bridge that divide of connecting a in-store experience with the online experience. Now, your online experience could be across multiple channels. It could be around web, social, email, or any other channels. And how is it that you are able to seamlessly unify that underlying data and surface this data through a single source of truth, leveraging the omni-channel CRM capabilities to the support of the agent or the chatbot and be able to provide personalized, relevant context to the customers. The third piece is with regards to our marketing cloud, which really is all about creating connected customer journeys, where through the entire life cycle of the customer, we are able to leverage the underlying data and the experience on an iterative basis, create a feedback loop and mechanism, and then leverage this in real time so as to be able to provide that relevant nudge or that relevant offer at the right point in time to be made, for example, encourage a customer to go in-store for buying a particular product or engage in a shopping experience. And lastly, but definitely not the least, is AI, which today, through its intelligence, which today, through the underlying pools and reams of data, is today able to build that connection of all of these components together, build intelligence into that particular experience, and then leverage this in a circular manner so as to be able to continuously enhance customer experience on an incremental basis. It's been a wonderful experience. Given that I am new to this event, and this is one of the first events that I am attending this time, it's been a very immersive experience. I have had the opportunity of meeting some great industry leaders, and in fact, starting right from the opening remarks and conversations in the morning to the slew of fireside panel chats, it has been a very interesting and a great learning experience. I am looking forward to spending the day here and then attending many such events in the future.